Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into SBI Net Banking. Use your username and password, then authenticate with OTP or token. Once logged in, navigate immediately to the e-services or requests section. This is where mandates live. Make sure you have the creditor name and mandate ID handy because you will search for the specific ECS to stop. If you don't see mandates, check enrollment status and update your contact details. Having the registered mobile active ensures you can receive the OTP needed. Once done, go to the mandates or standing instructions area and filter the list. Search by creditor name, amount, or mandate ID to identify the exact ECS entry. When you find it, click to view the mandate details. Review the date, frequency, and status to confirm it's the one you want to stop. After that, choose the stop or revoke action. The system will prompt for confirmation and an OTP on your registered mobile, so be ready to approve the stop request quickly to avoid processing delays. You now confirm the stop by entering the OTP and completing the final confirmation step. Save or note the reference number shown. After confirmation, refresh the mandate list and verify the status has changed to stopped or canceled. This proves the request processed. If the status does not update, make sure the OTP was accepted and retry. If issues persist, contact SBI Customer Care or visit your branch with the reference number and mandate details so they can manually intervene and confirm termination of the ECS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.